This tutorial will show you how to encode an NFC tag using password protection. First, let's explain why you might use password protection. When you write or encode an NFC tag with, for example, a web link, you have the option to lock the data or leave unlocked. If you lock the tag, then nobody can ever change the data. If you leave the tag unlocked, then anyone with a phone can edit the web link and then lock it themselves. For tags used in public locations, it's clearly not safe to leave tags unlocked. Password protection adds a third option. You can write to your NFC tag, but then protect the contents with a simple password. This enables you to change the link in the future, but protect the tag from unwanted tampering. Our Seritag Encoder app makes this process simple. Let me show you how. Before we get started, make sure you have downloaded the Seritag Encoder app and have a new NFC tag available. Open the app and tap on the Encode button. Now choose URL and HTTPS. Enter your destination link into the data field. Select Password as your protection option. You will now need to enter your password. You can only use numbers and characters from A to F. You might just want to use a numerical PIN. Once completed, you can tap on the Encode button and hold your phone over the tag to write. If you are using an iPhone, the hotspot is at the top edge of the phone, and for Android, it's usually in the upper middle of the back. Thanks for watching. Download the Seritag Encoder app from the Apple App Store or Google Play now. If you are looking for NFC tags, then just visit us at seritag.com for a great selection of quality tags and fast worldwide shipping. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to see more NFC tutorial videos.